Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So I imagine that if you've accidentally changed the language, this video could be helpful. So I'll try to do everything as slow as possible with the best possible explanation of the steps. So first of all, we have to find the settings. So let's find the gear icon and tap on it. Then all we have to do is to scroll all the way down, so just do it fastly until you will be at the very bottom of the list. Then let's tap on this gear icon again, so system and update option, which is at the top of this last section. And now we have to tap on the third option, which is language and region. So 1, 2, 3. Now, if you've got an additional language, I mean the language which you'd like to apply right here, simply tap on it. If not, let's tap on edit. And now we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find your language and then tap on the plus icon next to it. I'll pick Turkish. Your device will ask you whether you'd like to set the new language as a default one. So you have to tap on the first option, which is yes. And now we can go back because our device will immediately apply the chosen language as a default one. And sorry, that was my mistake, or actually not. Because I told you that if you've got your language right here, you can simply tap on it. And as you can see, you can, because you can simply tap on the language. Your device will ask you whether you want to change the system language, so just tap on this first option, change to Turkish in my case. Or if you don't want to do that, you can simply tap on the language and hold it and drag it to the first position. After releasing, tap on the first option and you will apply your language. So as you can see here, you've got two different ways of adding or changing the language. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit, and here we have to tap on this minus icon next to the language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.